This is Rose Molinary from It's a Word of Art, and today I'll be showing you how to use our brand new custom gang sheet designer software. So this is going to allow you to take your own designs, upload them into the designer tool. You'll be able to select from several different size gang sheets that we offer. And also in the next few days, you will be able to add some select designs that we already offer. So we currently offer over 22,000 different designs at the time of this recording, and you will be able to pick and choose from some of those that we select. Not all of them will be there, obviously, but there will be a good selection. So in order to access this designer tool, you're going to go to iawoa.com. When you're on our website, you're going to go to shop and then go to DTF. And right now, this is the only DTF listing we have. We will have some more later. So we're going to click here, and we're going to worry about this portion later, selecting our size and checking out. But for now, you want to scroll down and select this button that says Create a Custom Gang Sheet here. So it's going to open up the designer software, and you will put in your quantity of sheets. So if you want the exact same sheet, you could increase that quantity. And I will show you also how you can edit that at the end of all of this. And then you are also going to select your size gang sheet. So to start out with, I'm going to select the 12 by 24. Okay, or I'm sorry, the 22 by 24. And I'm going to also show you how you can change this if you get into designing and decide that you need more space. So for now, we're going to select set. We are going to upload our files. I'm going to upload one file that is a JPEG. You'll see it is a JPEG, so that's going to have the white background. You do want to try to make sure that all of your files are PNGs with transparent backgrounds, but I'm going to show you with that design that in that case, if it is not, then how you can change it. All right, so we will go ahead and we'll click on the football. And so as you can see, it has the white background. This software has a really nifty tool, remove white background. It's not perfect, but in most cases, it will help get rid of that. So we're going to click remove white background, and we're going to wait to see. Looks like it did pretty well. There's not a whole lot of control you have over what it removes and what doesn't. But if you're happy with this, you can go with that. And then we can also trim transparent space. So see how we've got this extra space on the sides of the design. So we can trim that and get rid of it. And then our items are going to be a little bit closer. So we're going to shrink this down to 10.5, and that little triangle is just telling you that the quality of the design is not 300 DPI. You will have to confirm that you're okay with that, but let's see, when we shrink that down, it does go away. So, but if we enlarge it to the 12 inches, it does show up. It may not be enough that it interferes with your design. You just won't know, but you will have to click confirm and accept it at the end that you understand that we cannot be held responsible for that. So we are going to shrink that down to about 10.5 inches. Now we can duplicate these designs as many times as we want. And the great thing about this tool is it will tell us how many times we have duplicated it. And then we see, okay, we want to add this design, and we're going to tell it to trim. Oh, I hit the wrong thing. We're going to tell it to trim our transparent space, and we're going to shrink it down to 8.5. Let's just say we want a smaller design to help fill up some of this space. Now we don't really have enough space to add another design here. So what we're going to do is we're going to click here to change product parameters. And we can go back and we can select a bigger size sheet. And all of our transfers that we've already added are still there. So I am going to add this one. And we will just leave that at 12 by 12. And you can rotate the designs in here as well. And that just allows you to, if this one is a perfect square, but something like this one, or if it's not a perfect square, you can rotate it. And I'll show you that here in just a sec, how we can use that to help fill in some of our space here. So we have that design. Let's add this design because I want to show you how, let's say we want a toddler size of that. So I could rotate this onto its side like so. And then I could take it over here and use it to fill in the space. And let's say duplicate. And we could put another one here. Duplicate. And we can put in another one here. And if you want to zoom in to be able to see, to make sure that you've not got any of your designs touching, to make sure that you've got enough space, if you want to put two of those side by side, and we can zoom back out and just scroll up to be able to get to that. So I will be back with you in just a minute after I'm done filling this page up. Okay guys, so I have loaded all of my designs and I have them ready to go, and I am ready to confirm this. So we're going to hit confirm, and it is going to give us the option of you need to specify. So if I wanted 2 of this sheet, I would just select 2. You can also, if you want to go back and make any changes, you can click edit and go back and make any changes. And then let's see here. I do want to double check. Okay, we selected 60. So you can change this to 2. You could also, if you wanted to keep this mostly the same but swap out a design or 2, you could click duplicate, change that to 1, and you could go back in and edit just that page. Okay. And once we are done, we are going to, I'm just going to remove that. And once you're done setting this up here, you're going to click confirm my designs, and then we will put in our name. You want to use your first and last name exactly as you are going to use it when you go back to Shopify to check out. Okay, so we're going to just call this test at test.com. If you need to leave us any notes, you can leave us notes here, and then you just want to check that box and we'll hit confirm designs. Okay, so there is you've done your design. So now you are going to go back to our website and you are going to select 22 by 60, and we did 2 sheets. It tells you right here we have 2 sheets all together. So then we would click add to cart and we would just check out on the website as normal. And then we'll get a notification that you have made a purchase, and we will be able to download your gang sheet exactly as you have designed it, print it, and get it shipped off to you in 3 to 4 business days. Hope this video has been helpful, and if you have any questions or issues, please don't hesitate to let us know. You can also use this tool on your mobile phone, on your iPhone, your Android phones, and you can also use it on a tablet such as an iPad. So I will add a quick video onto this showing you how it looks on an iPhone and an iPad as well. Like I said, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know.